Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a dot grid in Photoshop. I apply 3 steps. Step 1, I already create a new layer. Click the shape, right click, custom shape, click shape, settings, all append and find dot grid. I example use this color black, press enter. Hold shift for this fixed size, do not hold shift, custom size. And step 2, create a new layer, click the shape, use elliptical marquee tool, hold shift, edit dot, then click the move tool, hold alt, click and try your customs, hold shift, press Ctrl Z, press Ctrl Z for this duplicate. Again hold Ctrl, select, press Ctrl Z, press Ctrl Z, then again duplicate. And step 3, go to edit tab, preference, grid, and see this grid color, use black dot, use dot, and every two or four, I use example 5, then view, show, use grid. See this. And later I will give advanced tutorial of dot grid. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.